there. Bing. Yo guys, it's Jimmy and I'm back with another banger. I'm pretty sure y'all already know what it is. But I got a 2012 BMW. What this thing was, goddammit? Motherfucking is regular. I think it's a 328, I believe. But y'all did see some work previously on this car before, but now he has an alternator eye on it. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is go ahead and take y'all through the steps, go ahead and knock this alternator eye. Let's go. So now that we over here, the first thing is first, as we're working on something electrical, as we want to take loose the battery. But in our case, this battery is completely dead on this car, so I don't even have to go through that step. But in your case, you would always want to take loose the battery first, due to this is an electrical part and you do not want to damage the computer on the car. So please guys, take loose the battery. And in this car, I believe the battery is located in the trunk. So I'm not gonna go through that because I'm pretty sure you guys know where your battery is at, or some other videos that can locate your battery. But for the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and get this alternator out of there. So the first step we're gonna go ahead and do is remove these things here. So you're gonna go ahead and pull that top of that up right there, and then pull the whole thing out. Set those to the side, and we do have some T-bolts in there right there, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove those so I can go ahead and get the top of this intake out right here. Then I'm gonna go ahead and remove those 10 millimeters over here so I can go ahead and remove that air intake and have plenty room to the alternator. Let's go. This is the customer, guys. This is him.
The realest nigga that's spending money with my dog Jimmy, man. I'm telling y'all now. Right now.
We lit. So now I believe I got a T20. Take out those, sit them to the side. Now you can remove your air cover intake. Two 10 millimeter bolts that I gotta take out over there. Do have your mass airflow sensor wire connector back here. You want to lift that tab up and pull back on it slightly. Just go ahead and pull this thing up out of there so I can have better access to it. Alrighty, and you do have, I believe that is a 6 millimeter clamp around that, but I'm just going to go ahead and take a flat head and go ahead and remove that. What the hell is this here, man? Alrighty, so now that I went ahead and remove all 10 millimeter bolts, I left them in place, but I'm gonna go ahead and remove this power bolt. And guys, this is the part that you really want to make sure you have your battery disconnected, because if you don't, if you touch this power wire right here with your wrench and ground it out on the car, you will spark it and you cause damage to your computer. So please guys, always disconnect your battery before this. And there. That's what I'm. 2, 3, 4, and all the bolts are the same, so you don't have to worry about getting them mixed up. Alrighty, now that I flipped that over, it is a tab at the bottom, which you'll push in the tab and go ahead and remove that. And you can go ahead and remove your alternator. Cash shit, family, goddamn it. Jimmie Cleaning Services. Y'all make sure y'all get at him.